Look, a squirrel just went by. Anyway, look, some might recognize that, and that. Obviously that's for me. So, I do have a aftermarket air filter in the car since the tune, but it was just a cheap little thing. So, with my eBay bucks and I think 15% off at the time, I went ahead and got this, so it didn't cost me too much. But I like this Perrin air filter. It's got this foam here, has all these honeycomb metal. This should let in a whole lot more air than the one I got, so I'll install that later. It's got oil all over it, and it's in this bag. I wonder if that'll improve the performance. We'll see. Let's get started. Alright, this will be easy. The hard part is going to be opening this, because it's going to make my hands messy. First, let's take this one out and see how it looks. Not too bad. It catches a lot of those things. All kinds of insects in here. Anyway. Alright, enough of the old. Oh wow, there are sticks and stuff in here. Let me show you. If you look in there, there's a stick right there. All kinds of stuff in there. Let's see if I can get you a little closer. Look at all that. Alright, let me clean that out somehow. Kicking stuff. I had a piece of wood get here. A dry piece of wood too. It was dry. It just fell apart. I'm gonna grab one thing. Cicadas is real loud. I'm loud too. Alright. I'm open over here. Hopefully. Come on. Oh gosh. Almost flung out. Alright. It's so sticky. Let me wipe my hand off. Wait, I have the shirt on. There. Everything lines up both sides. Alright. I'll tell you, this intake is so weird. It has like small openings, but I guess the filter seals it, so I'll do it. Check it out. It says Perrin, you can see it. That's the last I will see it for a while. Yeah. I really should wash the car. Look at that. Oh no, that's just a reflection. But there's bug stuff all over it, but you can't see it with this camera. And the, I guess, front, because this will be facing the front of the car, metal to protect it from things getting in between it. So, kicking stuff. Look in there. Look at all that. Look at all that. Nope. Look at all that. Alright, now I gotta flip this around. Come on. But that's the last. You or I will see it for a while.